Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make the icing. You know the cinnamon roll icing? It's going to be like this. It's going to be just like Cinnabon icing, and this is what you need. Salt, butter, vanilla, and cream cheese. And sugar. Okay. First we're going to start off with a half a cup of butter. Okay. Half a cup of butter. Then we're going to go to we're going to go to 2.5 cups of sugar. That's about a half. You're going to use about a tablespoon of vanilla, just a tablespoon. Okay? And just like a sprinkle of salt. You can put the salt in your hand and just take like a little pinch and pinch it in there, and that's it. And then you're going to use the whole you could tell Lala she could come back. You're going to use the whole thing. Hi everybody, I just want to let you know that when making this recipe, you really don't need to have a Ninja. If you have a hand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. If you have a blender, you can use a blender. You can use anything that you know that'll blend up the cream cheese real nice and soft. When I was blending this recipe up, I had I probably blended for a good 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. That's because I wanted it nice and soft. It depends on the consistency that you want. If you want a thicker icing, of course you'll blend it up less time. If you want a thin icing, then you'll just blend it for longer. So it's basically up to you. Okay, so let's continue with showing this recipe. Bye y'all. Now, I blended mine so it could be nice and soft and smooth. Can you see that? Perfect.
Where'd you get that outfit?
They assembled it at the hotel gift shop. How stupid is that?
Would you just get us out of this prison?
Perfect.
You have a plan?
And so, what you could do, hold on, mommy. What you could do is you put it over into a container. See how it comes out?
I don't know. Maybe they
So when you make your cinnamon rolls, you could go ahead, pour it on top, and whatever's left, of course there might be a lot because it did make a whole bunch, and then you have some, and then all you gotta do is just pop it in the microwave, Pop it in the microwave for about 40 seconds or so, and then drizzle it back on the cinnamon rolls. So there you have it. It's the Cinnabon Icing. It tastes just like it. So I hope you like the recipe. I hope you like the icing, and I hope you like this video. If you do, come back for more with Fernie. Bye-bye. Well, this is how it looks. The cinnamon rolls. And this is the Cinnabon icing that I made.
That looks like Cinnabon cake.
See how those came out better, Maury?
Yeah, that's what I want to taste the other one.
How baby?
That's why you didn't want to taste the
Yes.
other one. It's called a surprise. It's like chocolate Mentos. I think it's dying, Juju. I made the Sonic movie.
Oh, it is?
I think it's dying. It said surface. Not
So just go charge it.
Jesus, I made the Sonic movie, man. What
Okay,
smells
baby.
like from cinnamon rolls?
That I'm gonna have.
Look at my cinnamon rolls.
I never seen these type of cinnamon rolls before.
These are mine.
Y'all never been to Cinnabon before in the mall? Really?
Y'all never tasted cinnamon.
He was born.
Go ahead. I think like in 67.
Is it dad? Is it
No,
dad?
60.
Was he born in New York?
I don't know. Probably. I don't
He
know.
said he from Manhattan, New York, and he lived in Chicago.
That might be him.
These are mine.
This is the icing, and this is how the cinnamon bun. This is how the cinnamon rolls look with the icing. And then whatever's left, if you have any left, then you just put it in the refrigerator for next time.
Bye-bye. Did you say put it in the refrigerator?
Oh, I can't remember.
Like, subscribe, click the bell.
So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you know what.
Like, subscribe,
You
click
see
the
what I gotta
bell.
go through? This is crazy. So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you like the video. So if you want more videos like this and you like the cooking, stay tuned and turn into Fernie. Say bye. Go ahead.
Bye. Bye.